Okay, so in this first video, we're going to talk about the FOIL method, FOIL, F-O-I-L, the FOIL method for multiplying two binomials together. So if you have binomials like this, let's say x minus 10 times x plus 1, you can use the FOIL method, which is really just the distributive method of using the distributive property of multiplication in a way that's a little easier to remember. I think so. Some people think it's easier to just use the distributive method. Either way, everything comes out the same way, and you can get your multiplied expression fully expanded. So FOIL, of course, stands for first, outside, inside, and last. So if you have a binomial pair, like these guys, again, x minus 10, x plus 1, you can, to expand it fully into a trinomial expression, you're going to multiply the first terms, which of course gets us, so we have an x times an x, that's of course x squared, and then you'll multiply the outside term, so that's x times 1, which is times a positive 1, which of course we know is just plus an x. And then the inside terms, we have a negative 10 times x, because of course remember when you have this negative here in front, that of course means it's a negative 1 multiplied by 10, so that's a negative 10 times x, which would be a minus 10x. And then you're going to multiply the last terms, which is 10, or negative 10, excuse me, times 1, which would be minus 10. Now, if you'll notice something here, we have a couple of like terms right here in the middle. We've got this positive x and this minus 10x, so we can combine those two terms. So we have a positive 1x minus a 10x, and that's going to give us a minus 9x. So the final fully expanded trinomial expression is going to be x squared minus 9x minus 10. And that's it. That's the FOIL method. Pretty straightforward and simple. Easy to remember. Remember the first, outside, inside, and last terms of a binomial pair. Multiply those out. You'll get x squared minus 9x minus 10 in this case. You can use the distributive method as well to do that, and you'll get to the same answer. FOIL is just a lot easier to remember, at least I think so. So that's the FOIL method. Hope that helps you out in remembering that next time you need to use it.